Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we are out on the CB500X doing a little off-road exploring. Really, it's a little bit of a recce run to see if there's places to go in the future and things like that. I have to say it is kind of nice just riding on almost a road. Well, it is a road, I guess. And just kind of relaxing. Seems to be some tracks from Enduro bikes heading up this way, so just a bit curious to see what's up here. Probably shouldn't be doing this. Okay, I'm not sure if this is a good idea. There has been so much rain in the last 24 hours. Okay, so the Enduro lads are going up here anyway. These ruts are deep. Not sure if it's really coming across in the camera. Oh, Betsy, this is slippery. I kind of wasn't sure if it was a good idea going into that puddle or not. You really could spend a long time exploring here, which is great. It always amazes me, just anything I kind of put this bike through, it does it without a problem. The issues I'm having really are my own abilities rather than what the bike is capable of. But these tracks that I'm following, these are Enduro tires. So that'll give you an idea of the kind of bikes that come here. This is funny because I was really planning on a bit of a casual ride to explore stuff today, and I wasn't even going to really be recording anything. Oh well, plans change. Adventure must happen when it's available. Okay, well, I'm glad I'm going down anyway, not up. Oh, bit. Okay. Holy crap. It'd be nice to have the drone here. as you can see just how unfriendly this territory is. I've noticed that for every time I swear in a video, I lose a subscriber. I'm Irish, so I swear a lot anyway. But I was swearing a lot more in the videos. I lost so many subs. It was funny. This really is cool. I mean, and this is the great thing about the CB500 is it's quite an easy bike to pick up. It's not necessarily a light bike, but the center of gravity is quite low, which means if it goes down, it's not that bad, or if it starts to tilt, you can actually stop it. But with a top heavy bike, if it starts going, you just gotta let it go. Oh, there's a road there. That's alright. Okay. Alright. No idea where I am. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.